What's up there, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This is the Frugal Investor. In this video, I am going to explain to you guys why I am buying Etsy stock on this dip. As most of us know, tech sector is currently sold off. There's a lot of companies that are down, and my shares in stocks like Etsy, Shopify, and Tesla, they are down as well. In my opinion, this sell-off is actually a great opportunity for me to buy my high conviction stocks like Etsy and like Tesla. They are available at such fabulous cheap prices as compared to their past. Me personally, I'm a long-term investor and I invest in businesses that are available at great prices, great P by E ratios, and forward P by E ratios. There are exceptions like Tesla, like Etsy, like Shopify. Reason I keep these high-flying stocks like Tesla, Shopify, and Etsy among this portfolio of company which has an average P by E ratio. This portfolio has an average P by E ratio of 25. And the reason I keep these companies in here is because I believe in these businesses long term. Etsy, it's an e-commerce business. E-commerce is not even started. A lot of people just got introduced to e-commerce during this pandemic, and it has long ways to go. And Etsy is already maintained and built a niche of its own. It's separate from Amazon. It's not like Amazon. It's more of like creative people coming out and selling their stuff. It is also a great platform in countries like India and in countries like Canada, where local artists, and France, where local artists, they come and they sell their stuff on Etsy. There is no other platform that can match that. Amazon cannot compete in this space because they are more of a general grocery store, while Etsy is a specialized store for creative people, where creative people go and express their creativity. So that is a separate niche and a market and a brand of its own within this e-commerce, rising e-commerce space. And I believe in that business model long term. I think it has long ways to go and it'll grow. It'll grow in the future when people are more used to this e-commerce buying online. And all currently Etsy is operating in 7 different countries. That is USA, Canada, Australia, France, India, UK, and Germany. This stuff. The business is very well diversified across different international markets in Asia, in Europe, in North America. So that is a great point as well, the diversification in different international markets. The CEO is Josh Silverman, who has really managed the company very well, both in finances and in business growth along different continents. And he's really done a fabulous job. So the leadership is good with a straight head. The numbers, we're going to look at them right now. They're fabulous. The business model is strong. We see huge growth in the future for e-commerce, and that's what makes me so bullish on Etsy. And when it's going down right now, I'm buying because it's available at such a great price, which it was not available a couple of months ago. If we look at the stock price, the stock has gone up within the past year, um, where it was at $78, while it's currently trading at $165 because of the dip that it just saw. On its highest point, the stock was up at $244 at one of the highest points during this rally that we saw in last year and this year, in the beginning of this year. But right now it's trading at 165. The P by E ratio is still high, but it's a high growing company, and I think 165, anything below 170 for Etsy is a great price to buy. If we look at the top line, as you can see, from 2012 to 2020, the top line has constantly been growing. And in 2020, it almost grew by almost 3 times than what it was in 2019. But it has been constantly growing. The top line has been constantly growing, and that's what I like to see. If we look at their net income, from 2012 to 2016, they were not making any profits. But the net income today, they're making a profit. They're a profitable business, and the net income has almost gone up 3 times from the previous year. That is a huge sign that this company is growing, and it will continue to grow because that's what it has been doing. Currently, the company has a debt of 1.35 billion, and the cash on hand is 1.67 billion, which is more than the debt they have. So it's in a very strong position financially with all this cash on hand, growing revenue, and generally the company is getting a positive feedback from a lot of people are starting to know about it, and it's starting to pick up now. The market cap of Etsy is $21 billion. It is still not among the big tech giants, but it is getting there, and it is getting there very, very fast. I believe that as more people get interested in online shopping and get comfortable with the idea of shopping online, Etsy is right there to reap the rewards. This is one of the best winners that will come out of this online shopping spree that we are going to see in the next years in North America, in Asia, and Europe. And Etsy will be right there to reap the rewards. And that's why I'm invested in this company for the long term. Currently, I hold about 29 stocks of Etsy. My entry point was $186, which is high as compared to this price it is at today, but I'm buying in right now. I'm buying in every day, whatever I can buy, more and more because I want my entry point to be low. And I think this stock will blow up as soon as the sell-off ends and we are back to normal waters. Etsy will continue to grow, and the stock price, in my opinion, the correct price for Etsy, in my opinion, should be about $260 to $270. That's what I think this stock should be trading at, $260 or $270 at this point. And it's trading at $165. That is a huge discount. Huge, huge discount. And I'm not going to miss that. I'm buying Etsy right now. And yeah, that's my stand and my viewpoint on Etsy and what I think this company is going to do in the next upcoming 10 years, 12 years. And with that said, this is the Frugal Investor. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.